Work underway in the Town Hall parking lot will soon be a location featuring cutting-edge technology. It will be the site of an electric vehicle charging station, a move that helps the town reach its goal of being designated as a green community.
We are trying to become a designated green community this year. The 351 towns and cities in Massachusetts, sadly, we're one of the later ones to join. About 240 to 250 are already green communities. So we thought we should start by putting in an electric vehicle charging station that will be open to the public. And what you have behind me is the kickoff for that.
The charging station is being built with minimal cost to the town.
We got funding to do this infrastructure from Eversource and from the Department of Energy Resources. And we also got grants because one of our spaces will be ADA compliant for handicap drivers to cover 60% of any other costs. So from us, it's not putting out that much money, but it's going to change a lot in the town.
When the initial construction is completed, there will be one charging station that can charge 2 vehicles at a time. There is, however, room to grow the site in the future.
So this is phase 1. So phase 1, we're only going to have 2 charging stations. It's going to be one station, dual charger. Eventually, we're hoping to put in, I believe, 6 more down the road, which, might be 5 years, 10 years. But this project, the infrastructure should take about a week, and then hopefully we'll have the charging station up and running in 3 weeks to 30 days.
So how will the charging stations be monitored, and how will the town ensure people don't just park in the spots and block motorists with electric vehicles from using them?
So we are going to be charging people, and we are going to plan to put up signs that says electric vehicle charging only, not just parking, which is common around other parts of town that you can park your vehicle without plugging it in. So, if you're parked here, you will get towed if you're not an electric vehicle. And if you're not plugged in, maybe the same thing will happen.
The program, advocates say, will help Burlington be situated for the future.
So electric vehicles are the future. You look at towns like Newton, Arlington, even Tewksbury and Chelmsford. They all have these green initiatives, and they are all green communities, and they've put in their green charging stations all over town. So we do see those stations taken up quite a bit by cars, so we know that Burlington is headed in the right direction.
Finally, as of right now, there are no plans for Burlington to purchase municipal electric vehicles due to prohibitive costs. However, as technology advances and prices come down, it may be something town meeting will be asked to consider in the future.
So down the road, as electric vehicles become more cost effective, we hope to add electric vehicles to our fleet.
From the Town Hall parking lot, I'm BNEWS Director Rich Hosford.